Dog Speak will be a device that will help you and your best friend open up their communication gap. This device will dispense food, water, play items, etc., but only after your four legged friend pours their way into their box and receives notification of what type of bark causes such an action. Eventually, your dog will communicate what they want and need in a way that you will fully understand their barks. Dog speak will also allow communication on the human side and be able to expand to more words on both sides of the aisle. Isn't it time you truly understand your best friend? Isn't it time for dog speak?